So what happened to me, how I got in this whole journey of credit and helping people, helping businesses, is I've been a real estate investor for the longest. I invested into residential real estate. Um, but investing, not knowing about credit or how to use credit cards, yes, I messed up on credit. I couldn't get no more money in order to continue investing because I knew how to invest, but I didn't know about credit. Um, Looking for help, I went to every channel that you guys been out there. Lexington Law is one of those, but I hold dear to my heart because I definitely don't like it, just for the lack of better words. I paid them almost 11 months, about $130, not knowing that they were not doing anything for me. I mean, it kind of infuriates me today that I pay him that much money and I know how to take this increase in less than 72 hours. Sometimes it takes me 24 to 48 hours to remove my own increase, something that they couldn't do over the period of a year. Now, a friend of a friend said to me, "Hey, I'm going to charge you $600 and I'm going to take care of stuff." The guy disappeared the next day. I'm like, "Oh, hell no. Hell no." That's what took me to the next level for me to figure out and find out. Say, I'm gonna learn about this. Just like I haven't doing this business have my current age right now. I'm I feel so strong about all these merchant accounts. And what did I say this morning, Brock?
We're going to create our own merchant account.
That's the next venture. We are going to create a new merchant account that is going to help you guys because we want to make this so much easier. I'm fed up with that. How and why do I have to go this far to actually get a merchant account? It takes me this long being in business.